Samsung just made the Fold thinner, but did they remove the one thing that made it special? Samsung's newest Fold is thinner than ever, and apparently that meant the S Pen had to go. No S Pen support, no built-in S Pen, just a thinner foldable. But here's the thing, Samsung. We don't care if it is 1 millimeter thicker. We don't care about the crease either. Yes, the crease is there. We can see it. But after a few minutes of using the phone, you forget about it. What you do not forget is reaching for the S Pen.
Ink device could become with Crosspoint OS. First, head over to the Crosspoint Reader website. You basically select your device, choose the firmware, and press flash. Very nice, very straightforward. Before doing anything, make sure the X3 is awake and sitting on the home screen. Then plug it into your computer with a USB cable. Now, here's the part that confused me at first. It will not appear as a normal USB drive. So don't wait for a folder to pop up in File Explorer or Finder, because it probably won't. Just connect the device, go back to the Crosspoint website, select the
And
firmware,
realizing
and hit
your new
flash.
Fold cannot
If the
use
website
one.
cannot detect your device,
Because
try
this
removing the
right
SD
here
card and connect
is
it
what
again.
makes a Fold feel
I selected the
special.
Crosspoint firmware,
A
pressed
big
flash,
screen
and
is
let it take
nice.
shape.
A thinner
Also,
body is
maybe
nice.
from the original
But
stock
a big
firmware,
screen with a
don't
pen?
panic if Crosspoint doesn't show up
That
immediately.
is when the Fold
You need to
becomes
flash
more than a phone. It becomes a notebook, a planner, a sketch pad, a portable desk that fits in your pocket. With the S Pen, I can write down an idea before it disappears. I can annotate a screenshot. I can plan a video. I can sign a document. I can actually use this massive display for something beyond scrolling, replying, and watching content. And that is the difference. Samsung did not just create foldable phones. Samsung created phones for people who wanted to do more. The S Pen was part of that identity. Samsung says it is working on more advanced S Pen technology and still considers the S Pen a core technology. But thinner hardware has recently come at the expense of stylus support on foldables. And I understand the engineering challenge. A thinner Fold looks impressive in a spec sheet, but a thinner Fold that loses functionality, that is not necessarily progress. Give us the option. Make the Fold 1 millimeter thicker. Give us a proper S Pen slot. Bring S Pen support back to the Fold. Let it work on both the cover screen and the inner display. Because Fold users are not buying this phone just to own the thinnest device in the room. We are buying it because we want the most capable device in the room. Samsung, keep making your phones thin. Keep making them lighter. Keep improving the cameras, displays, and AI. But do not remove the things that made Galaxy different in the first place. We can live with a crease. We can live with 1 extra millimeter. But we should not have to live without the S Pen.